Mechanic will never tell you this trick, and once you see it, you'll understand why. Y'all want to see a lifesaver? See that nail right there? Check this out. No cuts, so you know it's not fake. See the bubbles coming out? We're going to use this right here. This is a screw-type Phillips head tire plug, and this thing is a lifesaver. No more fighting with those pain-in-the-ass strips. You can use a drill or a screwdriver, either one. Look at that, no bubbles. You get 30 of these in the clear tube, which is the larger diameter, and 30 of these in the pink tube that are the smaller diameter. For the same price, it would cost you to buy a pack of 5 of the rubber strips, plus fast and free shipping. So follow the link below and grab yourself some. You will not be disappointed.